Azure Logic Apps plugin, and let us see a brief introduction on the same. Azure Logic Apps is a cloud-based service provided by Microsoft Azure that enables you to design and build scalable workflows, integrations, and business processes. It allows you to automate tasks and connect various applications, systems, and services both in the cloud and on-premises without having to write extensive code. Logic App simplifies and the development of workflows by providing a visual designer and a wide range of pre-built connectors. For example, it can be employed to automatically trigger an email notification whenever a new file is added to a specific folder in OneDrive. Primary purposes of Azure Logic Apps include workflow automation, data integration, event-driven architecture, API connectivity, business-to-business communication, and real-time process orchestration. Let me show you to demo the Azure Logic Apps plugin. I'll be submitting a job. For that, we have to click on this Design tab and here Workload Designer. We need to click on Create New Job Definition. Search for the plugin Azure Logic Apps. And here in the general info, we need to give the name and workstation, which is the mandatory fields. In the connection tab, we need to give subscription ID, client ID, tenant ID, and the password, which is the mandatory fields again to test the connection to Azure Logic Apps. In the action tab, we need to give the Logic App name and resource group name of the Azure Logic Apps which we are going to get the details from, and we are going to validate it. So I have given the name and workstation and the connection details, and let us test the connection now. So the test connection to Azure Logic Apps is successful. Let us go to the Action tab and give the Logic App name which we want to retrieve the job details of the Azure Logic App. This is the Logic App I have created. I've given the same name and the respective resource group should be given. Here, the primary purpose of the plugin is to retrieve the job details for which the Logic App operations has been done. So I'll validate the given Logic App name. Once the validation is successful, let me save the job and I'll click on the submit button. Okay. So once it is submitted, we shall go to monitoring, orchestration monitor. And here we need to click on job. Once that is given, we will get the list of jobs submitted. We need to select our job, click on more actions and go to properties. We need to click on scheduling options and give the priority and save it. The job is successful and we need to refresh for it to submit. So we can see that the job is in exit status. It is running. We can see that the job is successful and we can select the job and see the job log. Here in the job log, we can see that the status is successful and the job which we have submitted name we can see and all the job details we can we can retrieve from the Azure Logic Apps portal to the job log here. So all the information is available here. The number of jobs details we have got here, and the job status is successful. This is all about the Azure Logic Apps plugin. Thank you.